you ask me question again.
Yes. What is the main purpose, objective of SAI?
The main objective of Sports Authority of India is to develop sports
Yeah.
in the country with the help of state governments.
Mm.
And we have different projects which we have started with the state governments
Okay.
for development of sports
Okay.
and to achieve excellence in sports.
Yeah. Okay. And what are the events which take place in every calendar year? That means there would be events taking place every year over here.
So you are talking particularly about Mumbai Center,
Mumbai
or
Center.
you are talking about Maharashtra or country as a whole?
No, Mumbai. This institute in
Okay.
Kandivali.
Yeah, we have a lot of facilities here in Sports Authority of India, Kandivali.
Yeah.
So we have a center called hockey astroturf is there. Then
Yeah.
we have a synthetic athletic track.
Yeah.
We have a basketball court, handball, volleyball, wrestling, judo, kabaddi,
Mm.
billiards, table tennis, boxing,
Okay.
and many more. Football and cricket also we do play
Yeah.
as per the requirement of the corporates or requirement of the sports persons, and we do organize sports events for the state government of Maharashtra also.
Okay. And what is this astroturf which? So what is the hockey turf used for?
Yeah, hockey turf we are
Hmm.
using for hockey, and we have residential trainees in hockey.
Hmm.
Proud state level and national level players, they are
Yeah.
playing on this, and a lot of teams from Air India, Maharashtra Police, then railways,
Hmm.
they come and practice there, and we have competition exposure, and we are using the astroturf.
So are there any academic programs on offer?
Yeah, we have a lot of academic programs also. We organize certificate courses.
Hmm.
That is a 6 weeks program
Yeah.
in the different disciplines like handball. Then we have kabaddi,
Yeah.
wrestling, judo,
Yeah.
health and services,
Hmm.
and many more certificates courses.
So you said that there are many corporate events also that are held in the year. So are there any sponsors for those events?
No, we don't get any sponsors for the corporates who organize these functions here. We just for the renovation
Hmm.
and the maintenance of the grounds and the stadia.
Okay.
So for that we are giving them these.
Committees are there inside.
What kind of
Means
committees you are
which
referring?
look after the operations and maintenance of the grounds.
So like in Sports Authority of India, Kandivali, we
Hmm.
have a different assignments being given to the coaches and to the staff
Yeah.
therein.
Yeah.
Like I am myself is looking at the administration,
Okay.
and then we have the account section, we have a operations department, we have a catering staff, we have
Hmm.
horticulture, security, and different groundmen and coaches.
Hmm.
Like as per the management of a sports ground,
Yeah.
as per the management of the sports institution,
Yeah.
and as per the good diet which is to be given to the sports persons.
Yeah.
For that we have given different departments and they are doing well.
Okay. Okay. So do we have coaches? Means well-trained coaches for every sport?
We have well recognized coaches who have done their courses in National Institute of Sports from Patiala.